Gwen. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how to do a smooth rotation tutorial on After Effects. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any of my tutorials. And make sure to request the next tutorial I should make next. Okay guys, so the first thing to do is to create a composition. You can follow all my composition settings or even making it yours. Here I'm gonna name the composition into smooth rotation. For the width, I'm gonna put it as 1/1 aspect ratio, also known as 720 times 720. For the duration, I'm putting it as 5 seconds. You can change it whatever you like. Okay guys, so after creating the composition, now we're gonna import all the clips into the timeline. So just click File and click Import and click File again. There you can import all the clips you're gonna need. Okay, so I've got the clip and now I'm gonna drag it into the timeline. After dragging it, don't forget to press S on your keyboard to rescale it. And here I'm pressing P on my keyboard to adjust the position of my clip. After scaling, right-click on the clip and press Pre-Compose. There you can name whatever you want, but here I'm using the original file name. Okay, so now you got your clips pre-composed. As you see, it's all adjusted into 1/1 and it's not messy. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna import the second clip. Just go to File and go to Import and go to File again. There you're just gonna need to import all the clips you're gonna need. Okay, so now you've got the second clip ready. Drag it into the timeline and do as the same thing like we do on the first clip. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna split all the layers, but I think I'm gonna edit the composition settings since I'm putting it as 5 seconds and not 3. Okay guys, so now my composition is changed. I have a 3-second composition and now I'm gonna split the layers. But before splitting the layers, I'm gonna start to add timelines so I will know when to start and when to end the splitted layers. Okay, so now I'm gonna split the layer. So first of all is I'm gonna go to the middle of the timeline and now I'm gonna go to edit and I'm gonna split the layer. Now I'm gonna go to the second layer and go to edit and press cut. Okay, so now I'm gonna split the first layer. To split it, do the same thing as the beginning. Just go to edit and split layer. And for the second layer, just go to edit and cut. And there you go, you have a nice splitted layer. Okay guys, after splitting all the layers, I'm gonna enable the motion blur to make it smooth. And after that, I'm gonna go to Effects and Presets to search for motion tile. Okay, so now I found the motion tile and I'm gonna drag it to all of the layers. Okay, so for the motion tile settings, you can follow my settings or even making it yours. So for the output height, I'm gonna put it as 400, and for the output width, I'm gonna put it 400 too. And don't forget to take the mirror edges. For the second layer, do the same thing as the first settings. Okay guys, so now you've got your motion tile settings done. Now you're gonna press one of the layer and press R on your keyboard to enable the rotation settings. Okay guys, so now you're gonna add keyframes. So in order to add keyframes, go to the beginning of the clip and add a bomb. And after that, you go to the end of the clip and add a keyframe and change it into +30. And after that, you're just gonna need to highlight and click one of the keyframes and press Keyframe Assistant and Easy Ease. Okay guys, so after highlighting, now we're gonna add the graph. You can follow my graph or even making it your own. Okay guys, so as you see, now we have a really smooth graph, but I think we're not done yet. Okay guys, so now we're gonna do the same thing like we do on the first layer. Press R on your keyboard to enable the rotation settings, and after that, you're just gonna need to add keyframes. Okay guys, so after highlighting all your keyframes, press one of the keyframe and press Keyframe Assistant and Easy Ease. After that, you're gonna go to graph, and you can follow my graph or even making it yours. It's very optional actually. Okay guys, so now we're finally done. So in order to save it, just press Ctrl S and name the file you want it to be. And after that, you're done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody have a really great day. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any of my tutorials. And make sure to go request the next tutorial I shall make next. Thank you and God bless you.